back to Vodafone Young Coders channel. Now, on this episode, we are going to get to know some elements of uh, the HTML5. Now, for instance, when you take P, the P stands for paragraph, and it's a paragraph content. Head one, that's H1, also is a heading content, and div is a division content. But today, we are going to know some three elements of HTML5. That is the bold, underline, and italics. So this was what we did the last day. That was what we did last day. We named it as pre and center, and also. But today we are going to create a new file. A new file will be we are going to name the file as elements of HTML. So elements of HTML underscore of underscore HTML, or just name it elements dot HTML. Save it on the desktop. So we are going to open our HTML box. So we are going to save or give the heading, the title as elements. Save it, and inside the body section we are going to give some bunch of words. So I'll be typing in some words. For instance, I'll type in before that I'll give a paragraph, and then I'll type in my that's my word. Now before that, let's open it. Here that's the elements.html. So open it up, and then there we go. The title element of HTML. That's right. So we'll be starting on the underline. So I want to make this word underline. How do I make it? So what I need to do is type U here, and then I'll close the U here. Now let's refresh and see this word. That word can be found here. So we are targeting this word. This word should be underlined. So let's refresh it and see what's happening. Wow, I can see very clear that this word has been underlined. And also we'll be making this word, that's this word, and it can also be found here. We want to make it bold, so we'll be giving bold tag here, that's B, and we're closing the bold tag here. Now let's see our work. Refresh to make this one bold. We should look at wow, you see it has been deepened and also been bold. That's how the bold tag works in HTML5. And without me wasting my time, we want to make all the last from here to here italic. How do we make it? We also make it very simple. Give an I tag, and we come and close the I tag here or here, I tag here, and we save it. So from this word to the last word, and it can also be found here from here to here. So we are making all these italics. So let's refresh it, see what's happening. Now you can see that it has been italic. You can see well. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we'll be targeting different section of the HTML5. And before you leave, you need to subscribe and also give comments or anything that bother your mind. You can also ask me for any suggestion. You can also leave it out in the comment section or email me directly. Thank you guys very much. See you in the next video.